we are going to see velocity time graph where time is in the x-axis because it's an independent variable and velocity is a dependent variable. Okay, here is the graph. Here are 4 things you have to remember for this type of graph. It's a straight line graph, right? For uniform motion, it's a straight line graph. For non-uniform motion, it will be a curved graph. First point. Second thing, you have to find the gradient. That's a slope, rise by fall, or y by x. That is velocity by time taken. You have to find out. That's one thing. For the initial part, this is A, I am saying. Okay, 1 minute. If it is, this is A, this is part A, this is part B. Okay, this is part C, and this is D. Okay, so part A, if you are finding the gradient, it will be velocity by time taken. It's an acceleration. That's the formula we know, right? The second part, it is not a slope. You cannot find out. Here slope is 0, means acceleration is 0, but the object is still moving with a constant speed. Okay, and it is not stopped. And the fourth final part I am speaking as negative gradient. Okay, negative gradient means it is deceleration, because when you are finding the slope, okay, it will be this way. I am simply drawing to show. This is your y by x value. It will give a negative answer. So that is a deceleration. And the fifth point you have to remember, the area under the velocity time graph will give you the distance traveled. These are the 4 points you have to remember. Okay, the area is thing you should calculate by dividing the graph into separate parts. Okay, here this is one area. This is a rectangle and here is a triangle. When you drop down, one more rectangle and the last part is a triangle. Similar way, so 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4 and 5 parts it is divided. Okay, you have to know what is the area of a triangle, rectangle or trapezium sometimes. Okay, you have to apply it and get the answer. Okay, the second part is a non-uniform motion graph, so it's a curved graph. I have given a question, a speed time graph of a person for first 3 seconds is drawn. You have to find the instantaneous acceleration at 2 seconds. So at a particular point you have to only draw the tangent. The gradient you have to find out is by drawing a tangent at that point 2. Okay, and then draw the gradient slope. Find the values x1, x2 and y1, y2. Gently then go for the slope formula, y by x, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 4.8, y1 is 3. Similarly, the values are given and the slope is 0.9. Okay.